So my wife has recently gotten into nano blocks, and one of the things that we have found is that they don't stay together really well, these little tiny things. So what we're doing is she's got a little ceramic bowl there of acetone, just run-of-the-mill hardware store acetone. And if you just dip the nubs in of the positive sides of the pieces, you can glue them together. Chemically, the acetone will dissolve the plastic. Be very careful about just barely getting the nubs in the acetone. And then they'll weld them together, and there's just no visible lines for the glue or anything. You can use crazy glue, but it tends to kind of show up in the build, and this is really completely visible. So just a little hobby trick that we happened to find here. So this chemical welding trick should work really well with almost every variant of nano block and Legos. Probably also the bigger kids blocks as well, if you ever have a reason to weld those together. The trick is that it needs to be ABS plastic, so get an extra part from the kit that you're wanting to put together and try it first. Just dip the nub of the Lego block, kind of the positive side of that Lego block, in acetone quickly, and then put it together. You don't want to leave it in there long. You don't want to pick up a lot of acetone. You're going to melt the whole block, especially if the nano blocks are so small. You just want a very little bit. It doesn't take much. They just need to, where the surfaces contact, you just want to kind of chemically weld them together. Learned this trick from 3D printing using ABS plastic, and I actually still use ABS dissolved in acetone on top of the 3D printing surface for my 3D printers to stick down both ABS and PLA plastic, make that surface a little bit tacky and give it a nice plastic interface for the hot melt plastic, the thermoplastic, to work on coming out of the 3D printer nozzle. So that works really great. Okay, thanks. Have a nice day, and hopefully you can keep your nano blocks together, because sometimes those little spindly things like she was doing with her giraffe just won't stay together very well. So make your models a little more permanent if you're going to leave them as a kit. All right, bye.